Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the whois command. It sends requests to what are called whois servers, and these servers maintain numerous details on domain registrations. So when you ask about a particular domain, you will get a pile of details. And here's an example. I'm looking at notme.org. You can see I got all this information about the domain name, registration dates, the registrant, contact information, etc. And there's the second page, and there's a warning here about how you're allowed to use the whois service. Now, if you don't want to see all that, you can look for specific details by just using grep. So here we're going to look at the contact information. And you see it pulls it out from all the other details. I have an email address and a phone number. And in this second query, I'm just going to look for the state or country. And I'm actually going to get both. And we can see that this particular domain was registered in Maryland in the U.S. I've never heard of this notme.org until I tried out a whois command and threw that name in there to see what would happen. It actually is a real domain. Now, on some Linux systems, whois is a symbolic link to the rwhois command, which is newer and more flexible and likely runs faster than whois, but functions in pretty much the same way. Well, that is your Linux tip for the whois command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.